Hello everyone, my name is Oliver from Lux Trading, and today I'm here with one of our live traders, Aaron, who just passed our evaluation stage. Welcome on the show, Aaron.
Thanks for having me.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, not too bad. Pretty cold day here in Canada. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Well, let's kick it off with my first question, and that is, can you tell me a little bit about yourself? What do you do, and how did you get into trading?
Right now, I work for an oil company here in Canada. I do inspections along the pipeline. How I got into trading, um, kind of just wanted extra income. I was thinking about getting a part-time job, things like that, but trading kind of interested me more. It's something I can do on my own time, and I can work around my work schedule as it is. So, just kind of started looking at YouTube videos, and one thing led to another. And speaking with a couple of friends, they pointed me in your guys' direction. So I figured, hey, might as well put my skills to the test.
That was gonna be my second question, and that is, what made you choose Lux as your prop trading firm?
So I was with one before, actually. They fell through. I won't mention any names, but I was kind of looking around, and one of the people I trade with, they actually recommended you guys. They said, yeah, just look into these guys. They're pretty good. Good long track record. So I did my research kind of thing, and yeah, I really like what you guys were all about. So I signed up, and the rest is history.
If you were to describe your overall experience with the evaluation stage so far, what would you say?
Tricky. And I say that because the rules are set up so that, I mean, if you have a good strategy, you're bound to succeed. But if you're, just a fly by night kind of, trying to hit that home run, it's not going to work out for you. So it kind of helped me in a way. The rules and all the things set up through Lux, where it's you have to put in a stop loss, you have to manage your risk. It's actually heightened my trading skills, I would say, because before I would try and get in and get out real quick without even kind of thinking about a stop loss. And I mean, now it's mandatory, so it's actually helped me a lot. It's slow and steady, but I mean, the proof's there. I kind of started off slow, but as soon as I kind of got a hold of things, it started going my way.
To just continue with what you're saying about the stop loss and why it is mandatory, well, there's very simple reasoning behind it, and that is you put in a trade and you never know what's going to happen. Your computer
Yeah.
can crash, and the next minute the market is falling down and you're losing half your capital. And that is something that a proprietary firm simply cannot afford when we want to trade live capital. So we've built up these rules so you have the base of knowledge that you need to go into a career trading program. My next question is, how was your experience with the 4% drawdown? How did you deal with it?
It was good. It kept me real honest. Using smaller lots, but it just helped me become a better trader. I think firmly. I was kind of on a up and down before, but with the drawdown, you kind of have to, tighten up your boots a little bit better and make sure that you're following that drawdown. I know I've got very close to the drawdown, and I turned it around, but it kind of makes you hone in your skills a little bit more and rein in kind of your. I think it cuts back on emotional trading, whereas I just want to get in, know exactly what I'm doing, and then get out. If the trade doesn't go my way, I don't want to get in there again because I feel like I've lost something. So I feel like that's it's helped me. I mean, it was tricky to kind of try and navigate, but it overall I did mind it.
Could you maybe tell us a little bit about what kind of a trader you are, maybe a little bit about what's your strategy?
So I'm primarily a scalper. I like to get in and get out. Like I said, this is kind of set up for me to make some money on the side and, eventually turn it into a career one day. So I like trading the volatile time. So the New York Open, around news time. I try and use my supply and demand levels. I trade off order blocks, support resistance, that kind of thing. So, go in, do my top-down analysis, try and figure out what price wants to go, and then kind of come up with a game plan based on that, put in a few orders and, based on what I've seen, and just go in from there.
Now you're just about to start the second stage where you'll be trading with live capital for the first time. How was your experience with the transition from the evaluation into the live stage? And have you already received your refund from your evaluation fee?
Yeah, I actually got that yesterday. It was really quicker than I expected, to be honest. The whole transition was great. I mean, communicating with yourself and the support team there at Lux, it's been, I don't think I've gone longer than, maybe 5 hours during regular business time. I think the longest it was just over the weekend because everybody's got to have a weekend, but communication is amazing. It's, you're getting a reply within no time. And I know I'm the type of guy that asks a lot of questions. So going from the demo to the live and seeing what I can and can't do, and if things stay the same, or as far as the refund, like payment stuff, where that goes and how I receive it and things like that. So it's a lot of questions but answered just as quickly. So I was pretty happy about that.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate the kind words. And to finish off this short interview, I'd like to ask if you have any advice for traders who are just starting out their evaluation or their journey in trading overall.
I'd say just stick with your game plan. I know I kind of went off script for the first little bit, just trying to, get what I thought would be, a consistent payday every day as far as being in profit. So slow and steady. Don't rush anything. You have to wait 29 days anyway, so don't try and hit the home run on the first day. Just try and implement your strategy, and if things don't go your way, stick with it, because if it's a good proven strategy, you'll turn it around. I know, like I said, mine didn't work out for me for the first little bit, and it took me well over the 29 days, which is another thing I'm grateful for. There's no time limit. So yeah, just calm and cool and slow and steady is my advice.
Well, I believe that's a great advice. Slow and steady beats not getting anywhere and being kicked out, of course. Well, Aaron, thank you very much for your time today. I'm really grateful you've agreed to this interview, and hopefully we'll be talking again when you're moving to the professional account stages.
Sounds good.
And for everyone else, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 live chat or send us an email at info@luxtradingfirm.com. I wish you all an amazing day trading and have a great one.